Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 167 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make red velvet waffles. And if you're looking for a great, elegant breakfast or brunch recipe to serve for your sweetheart on Valentine's Day, you would definitely enjoy these waffles. They're going to be so tender, delicious, and we're going to put a cream cheese glaze on it. Sure to make your mouth water. All right, you ready? Let's go cook some red velvet waffle magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is make our cream cheese glaze. Over here in my bowl, I have 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. They're both salted, and we're going to cream this until it's nice and fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat this in until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar alternatingly with a half a cup of evaporated milk, and we're going to begin and end with powdered sugar. And the last of the powdered sugar. Beat this all in until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our cream cheese glaze is done. See how nice and silky and creamy that looks? Alright, that looks great. Alright, now we're going to set this aside while we work on our waffles. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the dry ingredients. Over here in my bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. We're going to stir all this together. And we're going to set these aside while we work on our wet ingredients. I also added in a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, in my large bowl, I have 1 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk that I let come to room temperature. And we're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. Going to make our waffles nice and moist. 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And a half a teaspoon of white vinegar. And we're going to whip all these together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of red food coloring and blend it until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And blend this together until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what our waffle batter looks like. Nice and smooth and that pretty red color. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to set our batter aside while we preheat our waffle iron. Alright my friends, our waffle iron is nice and preheated and I sprayed it with some cooking spray, and now we're going to pour our batter in. Alright my friends, I got all my batter in, so all we do now is cover it. My friends, look at that gorgeous waffle, nice and golden brown, and it smells great in this kitchen. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my waffles and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our waffles are done and I have 2 waffles here on my plate. So now we're going to add our cream cheese glaze that we made earlier and some dusting of powdered sugar and a dollop of whipped cream. OMG. And chopped pecans on top. Yes! And there you have it. Luscious, velvety red velvet waffles. Now look how pretty that looks. Alright. Now I'm about to give this a taste. Give me a little whipped cream. Lord have mercy. Alright, here we go. It's so moist, it melts in your mouth. So rich, so decadent. These are some amazing red velvet waffles, my friends. This is a vanilla bite. Waffle-licious. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and happy Valentine's Day.